Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Caribbean Glow. Today we're talking about something pretty awesome and surprisingly multifaceted, composting. Now you might be thinking, composting? That's just for hardcore gardeners, right? Wrong. While it's true that composting does wonders for your garden, it goes way beyond just making your plants happy. We're going to uncover 5 surprising benefits of composting that extend far beyond your backyard, impacting your wallet, your community, and even the planet. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical shovels, and let's dig in. Okay, let's be real, landfills are overflowing. They're like the junk drawers of the earth, filled with stuff we don't want but don't know what else to do with. But here's the thing, a huge chunk of what ends up in landfills could actually be composted. We're talking food scraps, yard waste, even things like newspaper and cardboard. When these materials decompose in landfills, they release methane, a greenhouse gas way more potent than carbon dioxide. Not exactly what we need when we're trying to combat climate change, right? Composting, on the other hand, allows these materials to break down in a way that's actually beneficial for the environment. Instead of releasing harmful methane, it creates a nutrient-rich soil amendment. It's like choosing between a landfill fire-breathing methane into the atmosphere or a compost pile quietly transforming scraps into garden gold. I know which one I'd choose. Let's talk about dirt. Not the gossip kind, but the living, breathing ecosystem kind that literally sustains life. See, healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, but modern farming practices often deplete the soil of essential nutrients. It's kind of like constantly asking your friend to borrow money but never paying them back. Eventually, their generosity runs dry. That's where compost comes in, like a big old bank deposit of nutrients for your soil. It's packed with goodies like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the essential building blocks for plant growth. Adding compost to your soil is like giving it a vitamin-packed smoothie. It improves soil structure, helps it retain moisture, and provides a slow and steady release of nutrients that plants can access over time. So basically, composting is like giving your garden a lifetime supply of multivitamins. And who doesn't want a healthy and vibrant garden? Okay, let's talk about something we all love, saving money. Gardening can be an expensive hobby, but composting can help you keep those costs down. Think about all the money you spend on chemical fertilizers, soil conditioners, and even trash bags. Now imagine a world where you could significantly reduce those expenses. That's the power of composting. By creating your own nutrient-rich compost, you're essentially setting up a free fertilizer factory in your backyard. No more trips to the garden center, no more deciphering confusing labels, just pure organic goodness straight from your compost bin. Plus, healthy soil means healthier plants, which means less need for pesticides and herbicides. So you're not just saving money on gardening supplies, you're also reducing your environmental impact. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. If you're a plant parent, you know the joy of watching your green babies thrive. And trust me, nothing makes plants happier than a good dose of compost. Remember all those nutrients we talked about earlier? Well, they're like a gourmet buffet for your plants. They help them grow bigger, stronger, and more resilient to pests and diseases. Plus, compost improves soil structure, which means better drainage and aeration for your plants' roots. It's like giving them the perfect underground condo with all the amenities. And when your plants are happy and healthy, they're more productive. That means more flowers, more fruits, and more vegetables for you to enjoy. So, if you're looking for a way to take your gardening game to the next level, look no further than your compost bin. Composting isn't just about reducing waste and growing better plants. It's also a fantastic educational tool. It's like a hands-on science experiment that teaches us about the fascinating world of decomposition. Think about it. You're literally witnessing the circle of life unfold right before your eyes. Food scraps and yard waste transform into rich, fertile soil that nourishes new life. It's a powerful lesson for kids and adults alike about sustainability, the interconnectedness of nature, and the importance of taking care of our planet. Imagine the conversations you can have with your family and friends as you geek out over the decomposition process, identify different microorganisms, and marvel at the power of nature. Composting is a gateway to a deeper understanding and appreciation for the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living sustainably. Happy composting!